Okay, what's up guys? Today video I'm going to kind of like give away these three cube. So I don't know which one's better, but I think it's fun to give away all of them. The first one is the Rock 3M. Nice small box it is. Vegan Air SM. The newest, this one is an old flagship. I don't think you guys love it, but that's pretty cool. And lastly is this DWI. Alright, so I'm gonna open this one. Oh my god! So this one still have this wrap paper here. I just want to take it out and take a look at it, and I want to record it back as well. Oh, this one is have also another plastic paper inside. Alright, here's the box itself. Really interesting. Beautiful as well. So yeah, this is cute, looks shiny. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's kind of shiny with this cube structure. Alright, so this is my 3 new cube that I haven't unboxed yet, and I'm not gonna depend on the price to give away, but I think that I would give this one. This one is the most expensive one. The second one is this one. This one. Oh no, this one. And this one is the cheapest, but I think the quality are kind of on this one, so I don't know. Yeah, so I'm gonna give this one as a also it's a flagship gift, so I'm just gonna give this one as a first prize, the highest prize in this giveaway section, and this giveaway occasion, and this one is for the second prize, and the last one this one. Alright, I don't know if you guys love it, but it's my choice. Then see you in the next video. Bye.